drought and famine.
Happy Mother's Day, ladies. I'm cooking for Mother's Day. Some beef bacon, pancakes.
I'm helping my mother fixing breakfast.
Oh, I can't put you on. Alright, so this is breakfast. Get my phone so I can show my YouTube family how dripped out you is. Happy birthday. This is his gift. Y'all, look, my daddy handsome name. Okay, Mom. Oh, who's Roses? Who Roses? Is that what Chump bought you? He did so good. Those are so pretty. Yeah, that's true. Wait, Frank, come here.
He didn't even let me have a...
Levi, let him have a bite.
Do it right, Levi. I mean, Cruz.
Cruz.
See what he's doing?
Who got you the foot massager?
Fred, let's go have my shoes off my own. I mean, my socks, not my shoes.
Oh, so he don't buy the foot massager too? Yeah, man, that don't matter. Okay, go ahead and open up. And YouTube, Glow Babes. Look at my mama. She got the same outfit. So they trying to be matching and stuff.
Mommy,
What?
can you get my...
Oh, this is yours that your husband bought you for Mother's Day on his birthday. Okay. Wow. Well, let me have this. Well, let me have this.
That's mine.
Well, let me have that.
That's Stefan's right there.
Oh, so he finally got his. Pick it up, Cruz. Oh, yes. I want this, too.
That's marshmallow? No. You gotta change the mood. Chicken mood, though.
And this. What? This is nice. What is in here? What's in here? It's heavy stuffing. That's heavy stuffing.
You don't even know what dog is.
Okay. Now let's see what this is, y'all. Oh, look at here. Okay, Mom.
I'll show it to you.
Mom, go ahead. Mom. Fred, she just showing out. Mom, go ahead. Move, Cruz.
This is a beautiful bag. Because I love all the cupcakes and cakes.
You love putting it on around somebody, don't you?
Okay, that's from all your children. Wait, Cruz, put that back.
Goddamn, but get some around my neck and stay slide. You feel me? I just put that my AP. Perfect timing.
She just opened it. And those are the noise cancellation ones.
Them the ones, remember you had
Them expensive.
Yeah,
Them is, yes. Check out Drip Out. I see Drip Out. $400 sweatshirt. And that's from Cruz and Levi.
They know I love my pajamas. And Eels can put it on. And Eels. Put my pajamas on. Thank you. Thank y'all so much. I love y'all.
Yeah, check him out. Check him out. Check him out.
Y'all are so amazing. Y'all can't do nothing with y'all over here.
No!
Nothing.
Nothing.
Thank y'all. Thank y'all. They won't let you do it.
Okay, so I have meal prepped for the week, or for half of the week. So now I'm about to put the stuff up in the fridge and go to bed. And I have my gallon of water. Okay, so this is my 75-day hard. Start day 1. I'm doing high protein focus. So this is spinach, eggs, and beef bacon. Oranges, coffee, and okay guys, so I have my hydro jug water so that I can get my water intake for my 75-day hard.
Yeah. I can't see your other hand.
Okay, so
You got your nails done.
yeah, I did. For my lunch, I have protein pasta, broccoli, a little bit of Alfredo sauce, and chicken, and apple, my Coke, my Pepsi Zero. Oh, and I have some dark chocolate with a few cashews. Are you serious right now? My first day of 75 hard, and it is a rain pour. It's just trying. This is just the devil trying to make me not do this, but I'm not giving up. So keep trying. Good morning, Glow Babes. It is Tuesday, May the 13th. I am walking into work again on another rainy day, but we are 75 and hard strong. We are not going to stop our challenge. We are going to push through and make it through all of the days, rain or not. So with the 75-day hard, you're supposed to work outside one workout. But since it's gonna rain for like 14 days here, I'll be doing both my workouts inside. Yesterday, I did both my workouts inside, and I felt great. I crushed those workouts, and they were pretty intense. Not quite sure why I'm not super sore yet, but maybe it's because it takes, a day or two to kick in. So I have all my food in my lunch bag. I have my high protein breakfast, my high protein lunch, and I have my jug of water. So we are good to go. I'm gonna look for a book to put on my phone so that I can read that while I'm at work in between cases. So yeah, I hope y'all have a wonderful morning, and I will get back with y'all later. So this is day 2. I have my breakfast.
From that patient yesterday.
Okay, so for my 75-day hard, I am going to be reading this book. It's the Anxiety and Phobia Workbook. It's a step-by-step guide. So this is what I am going to be reading. All right, so I made it to Crunch. So let's head in. Hey guys, so I am at Crunch Fitness doing my first workout of the day. We have left the allergy appointment, so we're moving along good. Alright, so Cruz had the allergy test done. I'm done working out, by the way. Cruz had the allergist test done, and he did really well, and it was kind of painful. So I asked him what he wanted, and he wants to go get crab legs. Not really sure what I'm gonna be able to eat. I mean, I know crabs and stuff is high protein, but the butter and stuff, so I'm gonna figure out how I can still eat with him. But the crab place isn't open yet. It's too early, so we're at 7 Brew to get us something to drink, and then we're gonna go to Sephora. All right, so we are walking around in Kohl's until Crab du Jour opens. This is so cute. Oh, and look at this one. Isn't that cute? Oh my gosh. Cruzy, come back, baby. Let's see how much this costs. So it was originally $44. So now it's 30. It's still 30 something. No, thank you. These are cute. I can see myself wearing these. How cute is that? Let's see. This is 54. So it's 42 now. I need something a little bit cheaper. This is cute too, guys. Look at that. You see that? Oh, and I like these tops too. They have a built-in bra. So you know that it's extra support. Cruzy, 29. We'll see. Oh my gosh, this right here. Yes. So jealous. I wish I could have some.
You can.
I can't. I can't have no fried food. Let me see your top lip.
Let's see who it is that caught your eye.
Alright, but let me see.
Okay, go for it.
No, you're not getting no braces.
Okay.
Let me see. Say cheese.
Mama, Mommy, any braces? Mommy.
Her mouth. Mommy. Hey babes. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Today is Thursday, May the 15th. Woo! I was thirsty. Today is May the 13th, guys. I mean, May the 15th. I am back at my other job today. Sorry, I'm just now getting to you. It is in the afternoon sometime. I have been, y'all know I'm always hard on myself. I'm an overachiever. I always think that I'm not doing enough. And that's how I feel right now. Like, I look like crap. I did not do any skincare routine this morning because I stayed in the bed too late. And then, of course, I have to get the kids ready. I have to see about Ivy. It's just too much. So I look like crap. I feel like crap. Yeah. So I am doing the 75 hard. I don't know why I keep saying 75 day hard. I think it's just called the 75 hard. So I'm doing the 75 hard and I'm on day 4. That's going well. I'm very determined to do this thing. I'm so sick of myself. I'm so sick of doing stuff and then stopping and not completing the task. And y'all know most of the time I do that because something happens with my child and then it just throws me all off my game, all off track. but I'm not gonna let that happen this time. Even if I have some issues going on, I'm still gonna continue to push through, if that makes any sense. So I've been doing the 75 hard. It's been going good so far. I have not had any severe cravings. I haven't been wanting to, hold on y'all, sorry, that was my mom. And I'm so jealous because she is I gotta get those brownies. But anyway, and I'm so jealous because she is going to see SZA. She's going to see SZA and Kendrick Lamar in Vegas. That's what she was telling me. But anyway, I don't even know what we were talking about, but I look like crap. I feel like crap. I'm doing the 75 hard. I'm not giving up. That sounds good. So let me go into my next area, my next site, get this work day over with, and then I have to get ready for a field trip tomorrow. And my son graduates high school next week, and I am not prepared. I have nothing ready. This is my first graduate, so I have no clue. I have no clue what to do, so yeah. But let me just get my work day over with, okay? I just wanted to come in and tell y'all hello. So, and one more thing before I leave. I'm liking the momentum of my page and everything, but I just feel like I'm still missing the mark somewhere. Like I don't know. I'm just gonna keep being me. Maybe one day, you know, things pick up, but yeah, I just feel like I'm missing the mark somewhere. But hopefully I'm not. Hopefully it's just me overcomplicating everything. Hopefully it's just me. Okay guys, so I'm home. I got the kids pizza from QT. This is an extra large for $10.99, and they give you large slices. I also got them ice cream, you know, so just get them fed and done. But anyway, so y'all know I'm on the 75 hard. I did not get any regular chips. I got the spicy queso popcorners. I really wanted some protein chips, but they didn't have any there, and I just didn't feel like going anywhere else. And then I got a wrap there. I didn't get a sub because of all the bread, but I got a wrap. Look how big it is. But I got the jalapeno wrap with turkey and roast beef, and then I got all these veggies, mustard and salt and pepper, pickles and all that stuff. So this is what I'm gonna eat, and then after I eat, I'm gonna let my food settle, and then I'm going to go to the gym. So like, look how big these slices are. Like, this is in my hand, and that's the pizza. Is it good, Cruz? Levi? Let me tell y'all something about these right here. These I'm talking to my YouTube family. These popcorners right here, fire. These are so good. Like y'all, when I was buying them at the store, if y'all could have seen my face, I was like so disappointed. Didn't want these. I wanted my chips. And wow, it really impressed me. They're really good. It's 140 calories for half of a bag. No artificial flavors. Let's see. Oh yeah, we can't read it. But anyway, these are good. Okay, so we are back outside again. This is day 4. Like I told y'all, this is day 4 of 75. I'm telling you, this 75 hard is already doing what I wanted it to do. It is forcing me to come outside. It's forcing me to get my exercise in and stuff. It's also forcing... You're going with us now? But anyway, back to what I was saying. Like, enjoying the outside with my kids. The sunshine, ivy. You know, it's awesome. Like, okay, I'm coming. Go ahead. Watch out, Levi. Wow. Be careful, Levi.
It's gonna hit my head.
Pull your shirt out of your pants. You got this?
I'm too tall.
Oh, yeah, you are too tall. Yep. Is that how you gotta eat that bone? Hey girl babes, I have not done a car video in a minute. Hey, I am on the way to Columbia to go on a field trip with my son. We can't ride on the bus with them, which is fine with me. I'd rather be in my own car anyway. And so I'm leaving out a little bit before them because I haven't gotten me any lunch to pack, and I wanted to just get there a little earlier before them anyway. So I'm on the road. It's gonna take a little minute to get there. I'm just gonna vibe and listen to some music. Probably call my mom, Gigi, my aunt, see what they're doing or whatever. And I need to call my sister, but I know she's busy at work, but she's helping me orchestrate my son's graduation little party or whatever. Because y'all, I don't know if I told y'all, I can't remember if I've even talked to y'all, but I'm so nervous. I'm so nervous, and I think it's because we grew up together. That's my baby. We grew up together. We're not, I wish that we were closer. But he's like reserved to me because he's scared of me. He's told me all the time that he's scared of me. Like, he thinks I'm not strict. He just knows that I have high expectations, blah, blah, blah. But that's my baby. I cannot believe that he is graduating next week, and I'm so excited. I know I'm going to be crying like a baby. And I wanted to say like a very sentimental speech to him at the party, but y'all saw how it went when I was trying to talk at my best friend's wedding. Nothing could come out. Like, it's like when I feel so strongly about someone and I need to talk about them, I get so choked up and my throat closes and I can't get my words out. It's so embarrassing. So I don't know, maybe I'll just write him a letter and, you know, he can read it on his own time. So I may do that, but I really just wanted to tell him from the heart, from my mouth to his ears, but I don't think I can. Like, every time I think about him walking across the stage, every time I think, and it's not just about him graduating high school, y'all. This is like the next chapter of his life. Like, this is my first child that will no longer be a child. He's going to be like a young adult. I just hope that I have led by a great example, and I hope that, you know, the people that I have surrounded him with have showed him the great example of how to be a human being, how to be an adult. So, you know, it's so emotional. It's so emotional. But anywho, I'm doing the 75 hard. We started Monday. Today is Thursday, so this is day 4. Right? Yeah. This is day 4 because today is Thursday. No, this is day 5. I've made it 5 days. Y'all, I have made it 5 days, working out twice a day, no excuses, drinking my water, reading. I cannot believe that I have made it 5 days of doing something consistent, being responsible with things that Hey guys, so I'm back. I have made it to EdVenture, and my apologies for the video getting cut off earlier. I ran out of memory and I didn't bring my DJI. That was a huge mistake. I didn't mean to do that, but I didn't bring my DJI, so yeah, I didn't have any memory on my phone. I couldn't clear out the memory and stuff while I'm driving, so that's why I don't really know what I was talking about. But I did stop and get my lunch that I'm gonna eat now before the kids get here, and then when they have lunch, I'm just gonna help monitor and watch them. So I really didn't know what I could get to eat, so I got a sub from Groucho's, and it comes with a pickle. I got a sub, so I'm gonna eat this really quick before the kids get here on the bus, and then we're off to our adventure. So super excited, and I will see you guys after the field trip or during the field trip. I really don't know. Oh, and I have a zero sugar Dr. Brown's black cherry drink. So, but yeah, let me eat this and I will see you guys later. They are fancy. Fancy. They rode in charter buses to the field trip. We are at EdVenture.
There we go. Right there. Alright, I'll give you 100.
Whoa.
Alright, I will report to the passengers that we will be taking off. Everybody take your feet. Everybody take your seats there. Oh, I found how to turn it on. I found it. I did it. Alright, bye, Alex. Alright, we'll do this right now. Skip it, bones. Alright, but first I gotta check out the box. Alright, $2.99. I got it. Here you go. Here's your seat.
Oh, my donut, thank you.
You're welcome. Would you like a breakfast?
I love bacon and eggs.
There's one free all day and for the rest of your life. Because the earth is going to explode.
Hush.
See you right.
Well, these small dogs are hypoallergenic.
Oh, really?
Yep.
Look at there. Can we hold? Or we'll
Can't
let
hold them, but you can pat them. Let me get
pat
some sanitizer.
Okay.
So
Oh,
they're hypoallergenic. If they weren't, I would tell you.
oh my gosh.
You want me to take you?
Hey, little baby. Now that is... Where's Ivy? Ivy, come back here. Where's Ivy, everybody? Good morning, babes. Good morning. Today is Saturday, May the 17th, and we are headed to the gym. You heard me. We are headed to the gym. I am doing the 75 hard. I am committed. No excuses. What are you doing? I got to go. No excuses. We are headed to the gym to get this first workout in. It's a rainy day, but like I said, we're going to do what we can. No excuses. I hope that y'all are having a good week. We are having a much better week. Busy, of course, but a much better week. So yeah, I can't complain. I'm so happy. I'm so thankful. Cruz is doing great. The boys are doing great. Ivy's doing great. My husband's doing great. I'm doing great. So there's nothing more I can ask for. My family's doing great. So yep. But that's where we're headed to, and I don't really have much to say right now. I'm trying to get better with my aesthetics of everything, like the aesthetics of my videos, blah blah blah. So I need to start doing some research with that. I have not started researching yet because I've been so busy, but I will start doing that. Yeah, we are about to get this workout in. I'm very nervous about this workout. Actually, it is a HIIT workout, so I think HIIT stands for like high intense interval training, and yeah, I'm scared. I am scared, but I should do fine because, let me give myself a round of applause. This is my first week in a long time that I have worked out every single day. And not only have I worked out every single day, I've worked out twice every single day. That is major for me. I don't know about y'all, but that is major for me. I have not made any excuse. I have not let me, from me working every day, interfere with me working out. On top of that, I've been following a good diet. I've been doing what I'm supposed to do. I've been eating my meal preps. I've just been crushing everything. I've been doing it. So I'm praying that I keep this momentum going constantly. Like stay focused, keep doing this. So I have to talk to myself every day. I have to talk to myself every hour. Stay on track. Don't get off course. Blah blah blah. So, and I don't know if y'all know, but I'm on a high protein diet. So I've been trying to make sure that I'm getting in all my protein. I have not been like keeping track of how much protein it is each meal, but I know that the meals that I've been eating are high protein. So not like a super strict diet, anything like that. It's just focusing on high protein, mostly clean foods. So I think that's going to be the diet for me personally. So, but yeah, so let me get to the gym and I will get back with y'all after. After the gym, I want to go back to Publix to get me some more watermelon. Y'all, that watermelon was so good. I ate the whole little bowl of watermelon. So yeah, we're gonna do that. Unfortunately, I did not eat any breakfast this morning. That is bad. I should have eaten some breakfast, but I didn't eat any breakfast this morning. I just got up, got myself together, got my workout clothes on, and now we're headed to the gym. So I just have to make up for that once I am done working out. All right, so we are in the mall. dip it in? No, I don't think you do. Get your drink. All right. Oh, let me see what I want. Good?
Yeah, I want some of these. Mommy, I want some of these.
Okay. So this is Cruz's. So go ahead, Cruz, you can eat it. Wow. Oh, wow. Is it good? You think Levi want one? We'll buy him one. So Cruz wanted the noodles, so I'm going to put the noodles over here for him. And I got some teriyaki chicken and squash, zucchini, and looks like some peppers. So that's what I'm gonna eat. And then I'll probably just eat a little bit of this rice, but I'm not gonna eat all that rice. Okay, so Cruz helped me eat the chicken, and he ate a few of my veggies too. But like I told you, I wasn't gonna really touch that rice. He didn't really eat his. You don't want these noodles? You're too full. Well, he didn't want his noodles, but I don't. It's a carb that I don't want to waste on. So we're done, and now we can go about whatever else we need to do. Up this place. Hold on.
Because they use good food and stuff.
Yeah. Alright, so we're headed downstairs. It has a 30% off sale. Let's see how much these are. It doesn't say. Alright, so I'm in here to redeem my rewards. Let's see what I have. Let me buy that hand sanitizer for you. Okay, just hold on to it. Let's see what I have. So, come over here, Cruz. I need to see you. Give me a basket. You see a basket right here? Okay, so I have, yeah, that's a basket. 20% off, 3 times the reward points, and I get a free item. So I need to get some more of these. Thank you, baby. I need to get some more of these plugins. I really like the ones that you can make intense or whatever, but I don't like the price, so I'm gonna get the cheap one. Oh my gosh, they brought it back. Aloha. Y'all, I love this so much. You just don't understand. Here, put it in the basket. Don't throw it because it'll break. Here, babe. So I'm gonna get 3 of those, and then y'all know what I'm gonna get next. Let me find it. Oh, I always have to chase around and look for it, unless they don't decide to take it away again. Here it is, Random Things, Lakeside Marketing. So, here, Cruzy. Get those. Yeah. So I'm gonna get these, the cheap ones. I'm gonna get 2 of them. 2 cheap ones. you go. So I'm looking for the Aloha Kiwi Passion Fruit candle. Okay, so he has me back in this futuristic store. Not really sure what he's looking for. I'm gonna try to get him out of here ASAP. What are you looking for? Well, Cruz, y'all just got a stuffy yesterday, so I'm really not buying anything in here.
I thought that was today.
No, I literally just bought y'all a stuffy.
Well, we're not going.
Huh? But what I'm saying is, you already got something yesterday. So I'm not buying anything else today.
Not until we buy it.
I don't know if you're gonna like that. It's lemongrass. Come on, let's go. Come on, baby. That is chicken noodle soup.
Yes.
You do not want that. Put it back. Alright, so let me see if my shoes are ready to pick up. Huh?
Why are we going this way? We just have to upstairs.
I am looking. I gotta pick up Jayden's shoes. Which way are you going? Get over here. This is why you come to the store by yourself. I was in line and now somebody has to go pee. Come on. So we are headed to the bathroom. Wait a minute. Okay, so I have his shoes. All right, Cruz, come on. All right, come on. You trying to put that back?
Yeah.
All right, come on. Alright, so I'm in Aeropostale. Come on, baby. My clothes are 40 to 70% off today. I like a shirt for myself. Let's buy one, get one free. Okay, y'all, so we are back home and I have worn my baby out. Look at him. I have worn my baby out, y'all. I have did a little bit of shopping. Did a little bit of shopping. I really wanted to do an Amazon shopping thing, but I ended up just going out and getting some much needed retail therapy because, you know, sometimes you just need it. I don't even need to give you no reason. Sometimes you just need that retail therapy. So I forgot what I was saying because Levi had came in. But oh, I'm gonna do a little, you know, show you what I bought kind of thing. So I'm gonna shower. No, I am going to do my second workout. I forgot I have to do my second workout. You found it? Good.
It was behind the ice cream.
I knew it was there.
Alright, so let me wake up Cruz right quick.
So I'm going to work out outside. I'm gonna do a little workout outside, and then I will go in house, shower, do some editing, much needed editing, try to get my aesthetic stuff together, do some research and stuff, and then I'll see y'all guys later. I am going to close out this video this time. I never close out my videos and I hate how it looks when I'm finishing my videos. So I'm going to try my best to start closing out my videos. But I cannot wait till y'all can start seeing like transformations on me, like my face, my arms, my whatever this is called, you know. Cannot wait. Oh, and since I'm not eating any chips, I got these from TJ Maxx, because y'all know I love TJ Maxx. TJ Maxx has everything I want. Y'all need to go to TJ Maxx If you want any and everything, go to TJ Maxx. They will have it. They will have it. So, well, except for they don't have any protein chips. But anyway, I got these sweet potato chips. And they are non-GMO verified. They're gluten-free. Free of the top 9 allergens. They're vegan. This comes in a pack of 6. I got these for $5.99, so it's $1 a bag. Calories for a whole bag is 150. Fats is 9. Carbs is 16. And protein is 1. I'm going to compare this. Well, no, I don't think I have any other bags of chips that are this size. But anyway, this is much better than eating potato chips. So I have my, you know, those little popcorn chips that I bought. Those are good. And then I have these sweet potato chips. But I'll show y'all the rest of the stuff that I have once I, you know, finish doing everything I'm doing. Only thing that I will show you right now, because I'm about to use it to work out outside, I bought this ear headphone things. Now I do have AirPods, but I can't work out with my AirPods. I only can use those for leisure because my ears sweat. So when my ears sweat, the AirPods slide out. And like if I'm jumping and stuff, the AirPods fling away and stuff like that. So I have this, and I'm gonna, you know, tell you more about it later on, but I just wanted to show y'all what it was. This is what I'm about to use to do my workout outside. So, why did I kiss at y'all? I mean,